Good evening, class. Hope that you are okay today. Today, inshallah, we will talk about magnetic field. Please open your book on page 201. Firstly, let's listen to the our lesson today. The magnetic force, is strong at the poles, okay, at the poles of a magnet. But magnetic force is not limited to the poles. Yeah, the magnetic force is not limited at the poles only, but the magnetic force it's found around all the area around the magnet. Okay, not only at the poles, but the magnetic force it's found around all the magnet. Okay, so what is the meaning of magnetic field? Magnetic field, the area of a magnetic force around a magnet is known as magnetic field. Okay, what is the meaning of a magnetic field? Magnetic field, the area of the magnetic force around a magnet. The area of magnetic force around the magnet. all all of the area around the magnet, okay, it's called magnetic field. It represented here as lines, as these lines represent the magnetic force or represent the magnetic field. Okay, why? Because the magnetic field for any magnet can interact without even touching. Okay, can interact without even touching. Okay, the magnetic field lines it represented or distributed around the magnet and represented as lines by these lines. Okay, so the which area the magnetic force is strong? This area at poles or this area as the middle? Which one strong and which one weak? Yes, excellent. At this area, the magnetic force is strong. Okay, but in the middle, the magnetic force or the magnetic field is weak. Okay, is weak, and at poles, at this area, the magnetic force or the magnetic field is strong. Okay. Magnetic field lines are closest together at the poles. Closest together at the poles. Okay. So here strong and here at the middle weak. Okay. Please write down the answer. At this point, strong magnetic field, and at this point, weak magnetic field. Okay, in the middle weak, and at the poles strong. Turn to the next page. Okay, the magnetic field, two types: single magnetic field and combined magnetic field. Here, this magnetic is single, so it has only magnetic field, one or single magnetic field. And in this figure, we have two magnet. We have two magnets, so we have two or combined magnetic field. North is north, two magnetic field, but the for this diagram or for this photo only one magnet. We have one magnet, so we have a single magnetic field. And in this photo, we have two magnetic field. Okay, two type, single magnetic field and a combined magnetic field. Turn to next page. If you serve, you hold two refrigerator magnets and push them toward each other. You hold two refrigerator magnets and push them toward each other. What will you observe that let you know that the field of the magnet are interact? Okay, if you hold two magnets, maybe and bring it or push them toward each other, maybe repel or maybe attract. When this happen, I know that the magnetic that the magnets are interacting. Okay. Number two, why might a magnet that sticks to your refrigerator be unable to pick up a way paper clip? Why? Because the magnet may be at this point or at this area weak, so it cannot pick up a way paper. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning of the magnetic field? The magnetic force at the magnetic force. Okay. The magnetic field is the area of the magnetic force around a magnet. So write down the answer. I will feel the magnet repel or attract each other. For number two, the magnetic field is too weak at the distance at that distance, so it cannot pick up any materials that contains iron because the magnetic field is too weak at that distance. Question number 1A, what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field is the area of a magnetic force around a magnet. Please, your homework today, do question number 1 and number 2 and question number 1A on page 203. Then take a photo for this page and send it to me on WhatsApp on my WhatsApp or on my Gmail. Okay, thank you. See you later and goodbye.